Well, hey there. Here's Jim back again. I thought I'd take another trip up to camp. Today is the 26th, the day after Christmas. And I thought I'd take a ride up to camp because when I was here last, probably about 10 days ago, there was about 6 inches of snow. And we had a wicked rainstorm come through up here, and warm weather and everything else. A lot of damage around, but I haven't seen any damage up here yet. But the nice thing is, it's about 40 degrees up here, and it's the first time that I've been up here the day after Christmas, and there's virtually no snow. I'll pan around. And it's really surprising. I still got some deer food out there, but yeah, no snow. Even the snow that came off the house is almost melted. Unbelievable. Well, we got a lot of winter left. Like I said, this is only the 26th, so I'm going to take a walk up, see how the house is doing. I did bring the chainsaw, you know, and all that kind of stuff, so, you know, just in case we did have some damage. But right now, I'm not seeing any. I'm pretty pleased. I know we took down a lot of birch that were leaning hard, and I'm not sure if they would have tipped over or not. And maybe not, because I see some of the birch that we left standing are still doing fine. But we did have some water come through here. Wow. I'm glad I put a couple ditches in here to help get some of the water out of here. There must have been a lot of water coming off this mountain though, judging from the way the ground looks. And you can see almost no snow at all around the camp. And it looks real dry underneath. I'm some happy of that. Wow. The ditch is running. And if you remember in an earlier video, I banked it so any water coming off the roof would drain away, and that looks exactly like it's been doing, draining in good shape. I'll take a look inside the house. Alright, so I'm inside the house, and just kind of walking around the edge. Everything looks good. No evidence of any animals of any kind that made their way in. Yeah. Totally nice and clean, nice and dry. That's the way we like it. Awesome. Nice and clean in here. The way we left it. Everything seems to be riding fine. Everything seems to be riding fine. Good. Alright, so we're back outside. Just walking around, looking at everything, and like I said, just except for the ditch, where the water's going. Everything sure looks like it's doing good. Draining right out around. And underneath, still looks nice and dry. That's awesome. So, really not much to look at, I guess. Looks like it's doing well. So I'll take and go back down and leave a little more food for the animals. It might snow up here this weekend. They weren't sure. Weather's pretty finicky here in Maine this time of year. But again, like I said, day after Christmas, up here in the mountains and no snow. Wow. Everything looks good. I ought to go inside, check the camper real quick. No telling when we'll be up here again. Alright, I'm going to pause you for a minute. Well, that's a nice feeling. I just went throughout the whole camper and looked. I don't see any signs of mice. Opened up several of the drawers. That's good news. Linda will love that. Alright, I guess that's about as much as I can do. I don't know if you can see this or not. This is a lilac bush. It's actually got buds on it. I don't know if you can see that, if it's focused in or not, but... Alright. Alright, so I'm going to feed the animals and then I'll be back. Okay, so there's some apples, some seed. The blocks are still left. That's good, that'll take care of them for a while. Well, let's hope that this stays this good all winter long. I don't mind snow, but I hate to see trees down. So anyway, hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to be heading back home here shortly. And, you know, give me a thumbs up, like and a subscribe. I can use it. I haven't been putting up many videos lately. Been getting lazy, I think. Sorry about that. I'll try to get better. Bye for now.